Hey guys, it's Addie. And today, I am just gonna be doing like a random video. I'm gonna be showing like my DIY stuff, and I have two slimes that I have, and yeah, and my next video is probably gonna be a room tour if I can do that. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing I have is this. It's just a mason jar with these like fairy lights in them. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, and then the next thing is this. So basically, I just took a mason jar. I covered the top with black washi tape. And just cover the whole thing with like flower pot beads, or like what we put in vases. And then I did like 3 blue ones per row. The next one is this. It was kind of a fail. So it was supposed to be like a party in a bottle. So what I did, I thought that yellow would be a good color because it was like bright and stuff. But then I put like all the stuff in it, like the pom-poms and whatever. And then I put the oil on the top, the vegetable oil. Like so when you do this, it would make bubbles. But it kind of failed and now it looks weird. Okay, now I have the slimes. The first one's kind of sticky. It's not homemade slimes. This is like slime that I got before slime was even popular. And it was from the store. And I put a bunch of foam in it. And it's really sticky. And yeah. And I just put it in a little container. Kind of disgusting. Then I just put tape around it because then it keeps it closed. Hold on. Okay. Then I have my best slime. If you watched our my second channel, our second channel has lots of slime videos on it. This is my best slime. It's fluffy slime. And it has a bunch of glitter in it. It's not sticky at all. Is it a good angle? Okay. It's really good. And it pokes really good too. On our second channel, we did a slime factory tour. And I would recommend watching that if you like this video. The next thing is this DIY bag that I have filled with craft stuff and everything. So right here I have my hot glue gun. And then more of those beads that I used for the jar. I have some like spare paint brushes, a hole punch, and that's about it in here. And then I have this box. Filled with a lot of extra glue sticks. We have like a mini paper cutter, a jar of like beads, labels, and lots of candles. So yeah, that's about it for this video. If you like this video, you should probably go ahead and subscribe, because it's free. And give me a suggestion for my next video. I may or may not said that we're going to do like a room tour thing. Yeah, I did. If I can find a way how, because I'm recording on a computer right now, and I can't just pick it up. And so, yeah. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment down below the next video. And, yeah. And hit that bell icon when you go onto my channel. It's right next to the subscribe button. It'll give you notifications when I do a new video.